So the water is almost up to my ankles at this point. But here's a little bit closer view. You can almost see about how wide it is. Looks like through the trees that it's about maybe 10 or 15 foot across by now. And it's still moving really well. You see these giant pieces of sticks and things float by every once in a while. It's pretty crazy. I would say right at the point we're looking at straight ahead, it's probably about 30 feet across right now. The rain has stopped, so maybe it's going to go down a little bit. So thinking this is about as high as it's going to get. But man, oh man, I wonder if that tree's going to break. That one right there. A lot of pressure against it, for sure. Kind of wish I would have done a time lapse of this. It would have been pretty cool. But yeah, it's all for the great flood of 2015 at the Flowers household. Crazy. Flash flood alert. Making me think we maybe ought to renew our flood insurance instead of canceling it. It'd take a while to get up to us back there. I think we're alright. Man, oh man.